What's up, guys? How many TGC here? Back with day 9. Today we're opening up another pack of FB04 Ultra Limit. And we're doing an SR Hunt push-up edition. Alright, let's see this pack today, guys.
Just feel there's something good inside.
Sometimes it's like a real struggle to open these packs. Let me know if it's easy for you to open these packs or not in the comments.
Sorry, today, guys, I'm really bad at centering.
Oh, I love that Son Goku card. It's my favorite. It's one of my favorite. I just love UI Goku in general. Let me know if you like UI Goku in the comments. First uncommon is Kami. And then you already got a peek, but we got Blind Spot Absorption. Then we got, Shin Mini Daima version Gold. Rare Star. Let's go. And then we got a normal Rare Trunks GT. Alright. No SRs, but there's that scan code for you guys. 12 push-ups I gotta do for you guys.
12 push-ups we gotta do now, guys. Let's go.
Alright, make sure to like and subscribe. Come back for day 10.